You are absolutely right, Satya. Let's do an experiment to confirm the presence of starch in leaves. To make this experiment more insightful, we will take two potted plants of the same kind. Keep one in the dark for 72 hours and the other in sunlight. Then perform the starch test on the leaves of both plants. First, boil the leaves in water, then in alcohol. Finally, add a few drops of iodine to see if starch is present.
The leaves of the plant in the pot, which were in the sunlight, changed its color to blue-black, confirming the presence of starch in the leaves. The pot which was left in the dark did not have its leaf turn blue-black, showing no presence of starch.
Hmm. Why do you think the leaves of the pot and left in the dark did not change its color?
I know why. Because carbohydrates are only produced through photosynthesis when there is also the presence of sunlight.